Mama amanyago?
Amanya gange Abasa Fiona, an advocate practicing with Ocheng Associated Advocates. We are located opposite Watoto on Bomba Road. There is nothing much. I was invited here for an interview and you told me that it is about Kama Ivan. Is it true?
Yeah. Kama Ivan.
Yes. We were approached. Kama Ivan natu approaching natu ensonga ze ngabo ya signing Ebyomuyimbi Pallaso and yam signing managing. So these people entered into an artist contract management or an artist management contract. So when they entered into it, it had some terms which included exclusivity, where Kama Ivan was supposed to manage him exclusively. He was supposed to promote him. Ate yali also ali supposed okumupromotinga kutwala enyimba ze. All Pallaso was supposed to record the songs and bring them to Ivan. So Pallaso cheyakola nga bamaze okukola enyimba for some good time. Mwenna mukimanyi nti Pallaso yafuna a lot of hits nga alina Kama Ivan. However, it seems to us that Pallaso yamana nakowa management ya Kama.
Endagano yali ya myaka emeka era batambuza emeka?
Endagano yali ya myaka 5. That was around October 2019. Naye kati batambuza about 2 years. So na bya failinga after the 2 years. Muyimbi Pallaso natandika okubookinga shows. Golden Tour nafuna shows zebwe Dubai, Alain zona nga ta involving Ivan nga tamwana sente. Among also the terms ze bali balina okukola yali ina okuteeka enyimba zonna Pallaso za producinga yali ina okuteeka mu logo ya Ivan n'okugimentioninga. All that was not done. Inga logo in some songs zinempya waliwo songs nga love something like love you, the current tali mukuga Kama Ivan management. To Ivan, this was really bad because it was against what they had organized or what they had entered into. Kati kino kye kyamwayiriza okukola ki ogenda mu kooti natu approachinga ne tusalawo ne tuteekamu omusango gwaki ogwa breach of contract. Nature twagala accounting for all these shows.
Shows zilinga mekaze yakuba?
Shows zilinga around 90 because apparently apparently he's still conducting other shows. Bwe twanonya court process server kumutwalira summons kuzimusavinga yamugamba mbu ye tagenda beerawo because ayina shows. So he's still performing up to now and all that is done in breach. Now that is why we're in court. Otherwise there is nothing much I can comment about this issue.
But someone's yaganyo zikwata.
Yes, someone's yaganyo zikwata. But he said that we serve him on WhatsApp, which we did. Nekirala yagamba mwaja kusindika lawyer wa Bichime, which is okay. We are still waiting and summons are supposed to run for about 15 days, so we are waiting for him to put in a defense.
Singa tateka mu defense chechidirira.
Mwa tatadde mu defense fenga ba lawyer we know what to do. There is another way of taking the matter to court, continuing.
Kyandibaddenga kigwe Banamateka omulamuzi kyayinza osalira Pallaso olw'okuyo breaching a contract.
Of course there is nothing much, but what Ivan wants mainly is his money because I'm investing a lot of money. About 500 millions zabize nga mu investing nga mu promoting media personalities, at least you have seen Ivan approach you, paying you to, you know, promote Pallaso's songs. So mwabamanya, at least muchimanyi nti he has really tried to do a very big job.
So after 15 days mugenda mu court?
Yeah, we shall continue. We are going to fix the matter for hearing. But I'm sure he's going to put in a defense. Pallaso can put in a defense if he really wishes to go on with the case. It's okay. If he has another option table with us and he consents, we settle this matter out of court.
Okay.
Yeah, could be so far about 90 shows. Yes. All the 90 shows about data for sent.
Oh, you know,
yeah, we have put in court, we have put everything in court, and court is going to decide. Abasa Fiona Anyaga Nze Council Badde Aduano Atenza Council Awodeza Kama Ivan. Yes. Yes, definitely. Zona Mpalavu, Malamu, Biona. I know almost all his songs. Zoneza are hitting at least. I have no problem with him. It is okay. That is part of our job.